Hello everyone, welcome to K&VR Tech channel. This is Vivek, and in this video I am going to tell you the basic structure of C program. That means how to write a C program. First of all, whenever you write a C program, we should remember some key points how to write a program. First point is, whenever you write a program in C, some are very important. First one is documentation section. In documentation section, we just write the aim of the program. That means why we are writing a C program, and we use this one to define what we say, why we are declaring these integer variables. Like that, we can use this documentation section. There are two types of documentations. One is single line documentation. This is the single line documentation. By using 2/ we can keep this full statement in documentation section, and the other is multiple line documentation section. This is the multiple line documentation section. And the next one is preprocessor directives. Preprocessor directives are nothing but which start with the symbol hash. These are the preprocessor directives. There are some macro preprocessor directives and something and some other. And next one is global declaration section. Here we declare some variables which we use in the main program, main function, and throughout the program. The variables we declare in this global section can be used in entire program wherever you want. And the next one is main function. From the main function onwards, our C program starts execution and opening the main function. That means the scope of this main function starts from here onwards. Next one is writing the executable statements. Not the writing executable statements. Local declaration. Local declaration means writing the variables within a block. Suppose this is the block mean. Then we declare some variables which we use only within this block only. Those are called local variables, or declaring those variables in local declaration section. And writing the writing executable statements. Here our actual program we write here. And next closing the main function. And next writing user defined functions. Now I'll write a sample program hash to calculate area of circle. This is the documentation section. This is the header file. These are preprocessor directives. I can use, instead of this, I can use, this is the float by 3.14. Because it is a float type, we use float data type. So instead of this one, I use preprocessor directives to store the value of pi. and main function, and starting the main function, integer r comma area. I am using this integer variable r to store the radius. This is our integer variable area to store the area of a circle. This is the local declaration. Next, now I am initializing r to some value 4. Next, how to calculate area of a circle? Area of a circle is nothing but pi into r square. This is the start to calculate multiplication. R square means r into r. These are the executable statements. And next, I have stored the area of circle into area variable. Now I am printing the variable area. Area is %d comma area. Now I am closing the main function. This is a simple program containing all these structure of C program. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel and share this video.